You're approved as a partner and earning commissions. But if Vyroq doesn't know how to pay you, that money just sits there forever. Partner settings is where you fix that, exactly where to send it. Open partner settings and your track link sits right at the top. Click copy and it's ready to share. No digging required. Next, choose your payout method: bank transfer, card, bank transfer, mobile money, or a manual payout to Wise or PayPal. Pick one and the form instantly adapts. Choose mobile money and it asks for phone number, MSISDN and mobile network. Choose bank transfer and it asks for account number and bank code instead. Fill in your country ISO 2 and currency ISO 3, hit save, and a quiet saved confirms it went through, no guessing. One more step for tax compliance. Pick your attestation, upload your tax form as a PDF, and Vyroq keeps it on file so nothing holds up your next transfer. Get this right once, and every future commission routes automatically, no follow-up emails, no chasing anyone for your bank details again. That's your payout details, locked in and ready. Start yours free at vyroq.com, no credit card, and a 14-day money-back guarantee.